I am Mumtahina Adrita and I am a PhD student in CIT. The industrial partner for my project is Synthese. I've written a paper on acquiring tacit knowledge from operators on the factory floor that can be used to automate some manual interactions such as tool offsets in the CNC, which is required to bring a drifting tool back to its nominal position. This can be automated using tacit knowledge and expert systems in absence of training data. Reducing manual interactions will reduce scrap that result from suboptimal decision-making by operators. The decision-making required for tool offsetting, which extends the life of a tool, depends on operator experience. This difference in knowledge level and experience can be standardized by collecting the tacit knowledge from different operators and developing an expert system. Standard process with reduced scrap will also reduce the energy consumption and financial loss. In this project, the tacit knowledge was collected during observational studies and decision trees were developed. The information from the decision trees were converted into rules which were then codified into the expert system that was connected to the CNC and CMM. The expert system was capable of reading the CMM data and calculating the tool position using the rules stored in the SQL database. The expert system then made the required offset in the CNC to prevent the part from failing. There were 18 rules in total, which were tested by force-failing the CNC tools and monitoring the expert system response. The tool offsets were successfully initiated by the system. However, the rules needed to be updated since it was difficult to acquire the knowledge that was not previously documented and one that was based purely on experience level of the operator. This sort of data is difficult to share as there are no instruction manuals or documents available. It was also noted that not all offset changes were value-adding. Therefore, a trial was designed to identify which operator interactions were value-adding. This could be because some operators might feel more valuable to the industry when they are able to do something, even though that might not be beneficial to the actual process. That was a brief summary of my paper. Thank you for listening.